When you buy a life insurance policy from MSV Life, you have the option to e-sign rather than signing traditionally. It's simple, takes just a few steps, as you'll see in the following video. When purchasing your policy and choosing to e-sign, you need to provide your email address, mobile number, along with other information. We'll send you the document for e-signing via email. Open the email and click on Open Envelope to view your document. You'll be prompted to share your precise location, which will be included in the audit trail. You can, however, choose whether or not to share this information. Take a moment to review your document. Scroll to the bottom of the document and click on the signature section marked in red. Click on Send and you will receive an SMS with a 4-digit code. Enter this code before the timer expires. Click on Sign in order to e-sign the document. To finalize the process, click on Finish twice. We will then email you your signed version of the document. You can also download the signed document and the audit trail from this screen and close it. If you experience any difficulties, contact your trusted insurance intermediary.